Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Mogadishi's. Today we're going to be making avocado hot sauce. These are the ingredients you're going to be needing today. To start off, you're going to cut a handful of parsley. Then you're going to cut up one red onion. Now you're going to cut up one full avocado. Now cut up one full tomato. Now you're going to cut up a quarter of a yellow bell pepper. I also added 7 pieces of garlic. I now add a handful of chili peppers.
يا رسول الله يا حبيب الله يا رسول الله يا حبيب الله يا نبي الله.
Once everything is cut up and chopped up, I blend it all together. I also add a tablespoon of honey. And now you can eat it with anything you like.
Thank you for watching. Hope you like and subscribe. Bye.
وبصار